Begin by opening a window and let the fresh air flow into your space. Then find a comfortable position. You may sit, stand, or lie down. Choose what feels best for your body right now. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. With each inhale, invite peace. With each exhale, release tension. Now again, deep breath in and out. Feel the air nourish your body. Now imagine, sense, and feel drawing a large golden circle of light around your body. You stand peacefully at its center. With every breath in, this radiant circle grows stronger, more alive. You are surrounded by warmth, by energy, by light. Feel golden streams of light gently pouring into you, softly touching your skin, entering your body with warmth. Let this light gather at your solar plexus, right above your stomach. Feel a gentle expansion there, like a glowing amber radiating warmth outward. Notice the subtle rhythm of your breath, the taste of freshness on your tongue, and the deepening stillness as you hold this glowing presence within. Time feels suspended. This moment is infinite. As you exhale slowly, feel waves of golden light flowing gently upward through your head and downward through your feet. Imagine a soothing sensation like warm water washing through every cell. The light carries away tension, leaving clarity in its place. Listen to the quiet sound of your breath. Smooth, effortless. Notice the subtle tingling at your fingertips and toes. You are cleansed, refreshed, fully present, right here, right now. Allow yourself to sit or stand in this radiant light. Feel the chair beneath you or the ground supporting your feet. The air gently touches your skin, as soft and real as sunlight. Breathe in the warmth. Feel the quiet pulse of your own heartbeat. Taste the subtle sweetness in your mouth as saliva gathers, signaling relaxation, calm, ease. Time no longer pulls you forward or back. You are timeless presence, effortless, grounded, whole. Now, with your body calm and your light fully activated, take a moment to create a mental image of what you desire. It could be a state of peace, a specific outcome, or a feeling you wish to live in. See it, feel it, experience it clearly, simply, knowing it already exists. There's no need to force it. Just let it come. Hold it gently in your mind for a few quiet breaths. And when you feel ready, open your eyes.